Hey everyone, Brett Crowther with you with Charles Schwab, and I want to talk to you about utilizing Fibonacci retracements to identify potential flag pattern targets. All right, in order to do that, I'm going to come down here, grab the Fibonacci retracements, go up, grab the fibs right there, and then come up and you can see the Dow has had this run. There's some support in this general area. We're going to draw from that support up to the resistance there. And you can see it's pulling back here now. It possibly could bounce off this 23, but from a textbook standpoint on technical analysis, a flag would retrace about 1/3 to 2/3, or basically in this ballpark in here, to say it's given back some of its move, it's regained its strength, and it's ready to run again. So let's modify those Fibonacci's. In order to do that, I'm going to right click and hit edit. I'm going to take off the 23.6. I'm going to take off the 78.6, and to clean it up visually, I'm going to take the 0 to blue, the 50 to yellow, and the 1 to blue. And that just kind of helps it clean it up. And here you see, there's a potential retracement area somewhere in this ballpark, right? But now, assuming it comes down and bounces, where is a target? And this is where the Fibonacci's can be modified to quickly and easily show where a full 100% move of that pull would be. So again, coming in here, right-clicking, editing, and we're going to invert everything. So I'm going to take this next one and go negative 0.382. Whoa, we got two double threes in there. Let's modify that. Okay, and negative 0.5, and then negative 0.618. So you can see I just took those three levels and inverted them. I'm also going to make that 50 yellow just to help us see it a little more cleanly, and then save it as a default. Now when we do that, you can see there it is. There are the three levels. And so the idea would be is if it comes back and bounces off the upper Fibonacci, well, the upper one would be a 100% run. If it bounced off the lower, then the lower would be a 100% run. And so very quickly, it gives the potential target areas based upon the retracement level. Now, this can also be used on the downside. Here on Lulu, it had a gap down, and so this would be a potential resistance going down to the support that it bounced off of. And you can see it had a 50% retracement in this ballpark. And so if it bounces off the 50, a potential target could be the 50% extension to the downside. Now, this is just one way of getting those potential targets. There's multiple ways. I wouldn't suggest you just use one alone, but it is a way to look at it. And we have classes that go into a lot more detail on Fibonacci retracements, different utilizations of them. And so I'm going to put some links in the comments here to one of those classes. And so check those out, just help gain more knowledge and technical analysis, and we'll hope to see you down the road. All right, take care.